What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel again. Back in the parking lot. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever with your money. I apologize if my voice sounds a little bit itchy or cracky. I'm still a little bit under the weather, you understand? So before we proceed with anything else, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Man, it's hot. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Casper. Today, we're about to do the same thing we do every day, guys. We're about to check on our positions, look at the 24 hours performance on the market, and also try to look at the price in much more details. Because again, I don't want to say it, but I told you so. Where are my quant haters? The haters of quant, where are you? I don't hear nothing. Come on, haters. You see, I don't hear you now. Anyways, before we do that, let's check in the market first. It's like I said it. Some people are not ready. A lot of people always think about they want to see price confirmation. But right now, I'm telling you, round 3, money. That's exactly what's about to happen. We are about to get into round 3. Round 2 usually be once the price tries to come down a little bit, hits that bottom, and then starts to take off. When we start to take off, normally in a bull run between September and December, in a bull run between September and December, that's when we usually have the round 3, which means price will start to go up again. Okay, there about December, and then January, a little bit there about, you will see it come down just a little bit before the banana. That's all I call it. I call it the banana sign, which is in around 5. That's when everything goes crazy. Okay, but right now we are just in round 3. Just as I've been telling you guys, a lot of people think that the market is crashing, and I've been saying it. The market is not crashing, not just because everybody's yelling wolf, wolf, that you're supposed to run. Excuse me. Not that. You are supposed to make your own rational decisions, because like I said, events around us right now, the events around us on the coins that we are trading, okay, are suggesting that the price of those assets are about to start running. That's the same thing as I've been saying day after day, okay, because in this my millionaire journey, that's what we do. You need to pick the winners. And I told you, I think a couple of, was it a month or something ago, I told you Casper, Quant, and Jasmine, they are all money printers. They are big money printers. I've been saying that for the longest. If you paid attention, congratulations. Okay, congratulations, because like I said again, excuse me, for you to make money, you need to pick the winners. Excuse me. You need to pick the winners. I think yesterday I told you guys, Quant was getting ready for something. It's not just yesterday. I've been saying that for almost like what, 3-4 weeks now. I've been talking about the supply shock. I've been talking about the supply shock. Exchanges are running out of quant. Okay, we went from what, 20%, now we're down to probably it's around 7 or 8%. Exchanges, they are running out of quant. Understand? And these stablecoin policies that are getting approved left and right is what quant has been waiting. Because once that happen, we already have the DLT projects already live. We already have Project Roslyn already live. We already have the Enbridge already going live. Now, the icing on the cake, okay, is the stablecoins approval. That's why you see the market quant has started to run. Look at every other coin. The coins are, yeah, going up a little bit, but quant is jumping. It's jumping really, really high. Again, we touched that resistance last night, and I told you guys yesterday, I think a couple of hours before that is exactly what was going to happen. So it is not just running because anything else. A lot of people are trying to tell you that quant is running because Bitcoin is not running. Bitcoin has been going sideways at between 52 and $54,000. But quant, again, the stablecoin policies, like I said a couple of times, stablecoin policies are going to kick open project gateways, which is quant staking. And now, looking at the transaction on people buying quant, that tells you that people, the institutions, they are getting ready for the staking. Understand? I've said it, I think, how many? That you only need to have at least minimum to make a reasonable amount of money with quant staking. You need at least 100 quant coins. Oh, excuse me. There. You need at least 100 quant coins. Okay, for 100 quant coins, once this thing takes full force, you are going to have $60,000 to $100,000 in staking rewards yearly. Everybody called me crazy when I told you guys that quant, this run, I am seeing quant at $5,000. Excuse me. I said it and I'll say it again. I am seeing quant at $5,000. Okay, minimum. Now, if it doesn't get there, probably you'll get you a $3,000 quant. But everything the way it's moving, and the way everything's beginning to fall in place, guys, I think quant is about to surprise a lot of people. Now, what's the market cap of quant? $800 million. And I'm telling you guys, quant is $100 billion coin. $100 billion market cap quant. By the time we get there, quant will be way above $10,000, guys. It will be way above. And another thing, guys are being bearish just by looking at the action price. I mean, the price, excuse me, at the immediate price. But you have to zoom out. Come on. You have to zoom out. Like again, I told you, we are forming a perfect symmetrical triangle, which on the top, it has touched twice. At the bottom, it has also touched twice. Now we're beginning the leg up to go touch the top again, which I'm telling you guys, I think this leg up is going to break that top and we'll start climbing. The same thing. And now, if you switch over to Casper, everybody's saying, oh, the run is over. And I'm telling you guys, Casper is just starting, because Casper to me is still on testnet. Testnet meaning there's no smart contracts, there is no tier 1 exchanges. Okay, it is just the sheer power of the community that is moving the price. Now, in 10 days or a little bit over, we are going to have Casper release smart contracts on Casper. And on that Casper, like I said yesterday, we are going to have stable coins. We're going to have meme coins. Then, guys, you are about to start seeing the transaction volume spike out of control, because Casper is very fast. Okay, it is very fast. And people who are saying, oh, we're probably going to have just Kraken and the Binance and the Coinbase will list it next year, I think they are mistaken. They are mistaken. Like I said yesterday, exchanges are businesses and they want to make the most amount of money possible. That's what you're about to see. And if you follow the money, you will see that these guys are getting ready for it. Jasmine came out, what was it? Because when we look at Jasmine Twitter, they came out and they was talking about the AI projects, okay? They are going into that niche, not just as a company, but as a company that is backed. Come on. Not just as a company, but as a company that is backed by the whole nation, like Japan. You hear people talking about XRP heading into Japan, and XRP is doing this. Guys, they are misleading you. The Japanese already saying they are going to use Jasmine in their country for that. They already said it, like the transaction in their countries, they're about to use Jasmine. Hence, that is why Jasmine is coming out with their own blockchain. Do your research. Don't just believe what everybody's telling you. And again, people still sit on the sidelines. They think this is going to be a dip timber. That's what I call it, dip timber, the way when people think that the price is going to crash even lower. And I'm telling you guys, nope. I think the crash that everybody's waiting, the crash that everybody's waiting for happened back August the 5th. You understand? So the whole crypto market dropped then, and it was a substantial drop. Everybody, you can look at it. Jasmine, excuse me. Jasmine dropped all the way to a dollar, 1.4, 1.3 cents. That's where it dropped. That was like a drop of probably 80%, 70%, something like that, 60, 70%. That was done and done, dusted and done. That's what we call that. The price that everybody's waiting for to be crashing, it has happened. It's not going to happen again, guys. That's why I said it. You guys right now should just be getting ready for the upward movement. Very good example, Quant. You see what Quant just did? Excuse me. Yeah. You seen what Quant just did, right? And yet people are still thinking it is going down to $20-$30. I will say it again just for the same. I told you so. Because this round 3 money just got started. We just started. So anyways, now let's go look at the market right quick to see the performance for the past 24 hours. So let me check my crypto. Let's look at the crypto bubbles right quick. See, just like yesterday. Look at it on the hourly. Look, everybody is going. Look at it on the daily. The same thing. See, Quant is up 15%. See that? And yet people are trying to tell you difference. But anyways, let's go look at it in a little details. Excuse me. Starting from Casper. Casper, for the last hour, we up 0.3%, 0.9% on the day. 0.9% up on the day, 7.8% down on the week, 9.8% down on the month, and 270% up on the year. Look at the Quant, QNT. Like again, I told you, pay attention to those numbers. Look at Quant, 1% up on the hour, 15.1% up on the day, 12.1% up on the week, 6.7% up on the month. Now pay attention to this number. I told you guys it's gonna drop. See, 25% down on the year. So it went from almost 40%, negative 40 to negative 25. Very soon this number will turn green. It's coming very slowly. Now let's look at Jasmine. JASMY. As you have it, 0.9% up on the hour, 0.4% up on the day, 2.8% down on the week, 16.4% down on the month, and 427% up on the year. Now, let's go here. Again, look at those numbers. What I'm seeing is like Jasmine is going sideways. Look at those numbers, compare them to the numbers for the past 2-3 days. You also see it. It's going sideways. Casper is going sideways. Compare those numbers. Okay, Quant, I think, has already, not that I think, it has broken out. we are now going to try those upcoming resistance to see if we can turn them into support. Now, for me to show you better, let me take you to trading view. I think trading view will show you a little better price in much more details. Let's see price in a little much details right here. Yesterday we talked about Casper, right? See, like I'm telling you guys, Casper is just going sideways, and that's exactly what it was doing yesterday. I told you guys Casper was going to take off to try. Let me see here. Let me grab my arrow. Let me grab my arrow right quick. I'll delete that. One here. Excuse me. Let me just restart it. It's better. Something right with it. For some reason, it doesn't want to open. But anyways, it's always a good thing. Let's restart the entire thing. Open up the charts. Open up the charts, and there we go. There. I told you. You see, this is on the hourly. Okay. On the hourly, we went down. Like again, this channel goes up and down, resistance and support. And yesterday, if it was my video, I told you guys we was gonna touch it, climb above the moving ribbon, and start to go up. That's exactly what happened. Look at this right now. It climbed all the way up. Now we are using this as support. I'm expecting price to try to go and break this this upward resistance at 15.5, 15.6, depending on where the price is going to be when we touch it. Okay, so yeah, you can see it how it has been going a little bit sideways, and it's just trying to catch up. Like I said, this is going to meet at some point today or tomorrow. Probably today we are going to meet this resistance up here. I'm expecting Casper to go up here, touch it, form a support, and start going up to this major resistance up here at 15.6 or probably 16 cents thereabout. Okay, if you go on the 4 hourly, let's go on the 4 hour right quick. Right there, see, it is even much more clearer. You can see it, the channel. Excuse me. You can see the channel. Look, all the way down, touch it. Now we are going sideways. Okay, trying to go here. Now another way you can do this is by if you draw a trend line. Look at this trend line from here. It's a lot of touches and support right here. See, that's a trend line. Now you can also draw another one, which is right there. It's a lot of trading right there. It's not perfect. I'm using my phone, so you can see that's what Casper is doing. Got into the trend line, and I think we're about to see down, up, down. We're about to see another one up again, probably to try to break the resistance. Look at the ribbon again, guys. Simple things like that. See how the ribbon is already curving. So I'm expecting Casper to have a leg up to try to go meet this resistance up here at almost 16 cents. After that, the major resistance up here 16.2. Look again, look at the 200 moving average. See that this thing is already curving. So yeah, Casper is coming for a major move upwards. Now let's go look at quant right quick. Quant QNT on Binance. Let's go here. Binance right here. Wow. I don't want to say I told you so, but I told you so. Understand? Look at this. Let me close this real quick. Yesterday, I told you guys we were going to go from here, bounce the bottom of the triangle. We bounce on here. Now we started to climb. I told you guys you have to look at the ribbon. It was already curving. So look at this. It broke above the 200 moving average, broke above this major resistance at $65. I've been telling you guys $65 was a very, very big resistance for quant. Broke above it. Now we are even going higher. To show you better, let's do this. I'm gonna go to the 1 hour right quick. See, this even shows you better. I told you guys that's what Quant was doing, was going to ride the ribbon. It went down here, it touched, it came above the ribbon, touched, broke above the 200 moving average, broke above the big resistance at $65. Now look at that, perfectly came back, touching the ribbon again, and up we go. Okay, now you want to know what is the next resistance. That is very simple. Now you can look, we can look, let's go to the daily. On the daily for Quant, see, look at that candle again. It's already broken. We are now trying this resistance. We already broken it, a $65 resistance. We broke it. The next resistance is going to be here, $72. Again, you guys remember we had a tough time here, broke down. We tried it again, broke down. Now we're about to try it again. 72. Once we break that, the next resistance is up here at $85. Again, look at the ribbon. See how the ribbon is curving? See how it is curving? Is getting ready, guys. He's getting ready for that big, major big move. Now, excuse me, I've told you guys this. Everybody waiting for market to dump some more. There will be entries lower and this and that. And I kept telling you guys, it is not going to happen, guys. The market already bottoms right here, right there. August 5th, thereabout, the market already bottomed out. So yeah, look at that. It's forming a W. One, that's two. As soon as Quant breaks this $72, guys, 85 will be next. And that's exactly what's happening. I've been preaching this for I don't even know how long now. If you want to zoom out, go on the weekly. This I show you every day. I show you this every day. This is the price action for Quant since the all-time high and the all-time low. Let me zoom out. All-time high, all-time low. And what I did, I drew a fib retracement to show me the resistance and everything else. So you can see price came from all the way up, okay, around that 430, 440, whatever it went, to all the way down to $40. Went all the way up, touch again. This is the second time it touched. We went like 150, 160 thereabout, all the way down again, or to 58, 59, that whatever. And look at that, we're now started the leg up again. This time probably gonna break this resistance, because if you draw a triangle, it did form a perfect symmetrical triangle. You can't see it perfectly because I'm using my phone right now to record this video. But again, all this you're seeing is just the beginning. First price target is right there, 125. Second price target is right here, 190. Third price is right here, 238. Fourth, next one will be right here, the golden pocket, which is at $290. Okay, right there. So yeah, all this you're looking at right now is just the beginning, because I told you guys yesterday, it's already started. It has already started. If you zoom out, see, it has already started, just like we talked about. Look at that. Some people may even argue that Quant has formed a bull flag on the hourly, which might look like it. Okay, from here to there, the flag is coming down. Now let's see, when we break this 69.70, when we break it, the measuring target again will lead us to that 85, almost $90. So yeah, I'm telling you guys, this thing has already started to move. Anyway, now let's go look at Jasmy right quick. Jasmy, Jasmy. Again, I'm still a little bit bearish on Jasmy. I told you guys so many times why. Again, for those of you who did not know, I want Jasmy to break that 2.3 cents resistance. I want it to break it. Once it breaks that 2.3 cents resistance from that falling wedge, then yeah, I will know that the price action, downwards price action for Jasmy is over with. Until then, I'm still going to be cautious, which means not as cautious. I'm still going to be adding to my position to make sure that my liquidation goes all the way down. Because as you guys already know, I don't use stop losses in my tradings. I'm a very aggressive trader. But anyways, let's go look at Jasmy. on Binance. Again, we are on the hourly. Jasmine is just been going sideways. Let me zoom out a little bit and you can see it just sideways. You can even draw a trend line. See, from here, this is one way. You can draw another trend line from here. That's another way. So yeah, Jasmine has just been going sideways until we break out of that falling wedge, which if I zoom out, let me go on the 4 hourly, you can even see better. Excuse me. See, now it shows me, by just looking at those lines, it shows you that the upwards to try to break out of this falling wedge is what is happening right now. So Jasmine has already started moving. So hopefully we can get enough momentum from this to try to go here to the top of the wedge, break it, and try that major resistance right here at 2.3 cents. That's what I'm waiting for. And again, guys, all this, again, there are two bullish moves. If you look at it on the weekly, okay, look on the weekly, let me zoom out. Two bullish patterns form on the weekly for Jasmine. We have the bull flag and we have the falling wedge. Okay, this is why I'm telling you guys. Excuse me. Let me put it right back here. Okay, right there. There. This is why I'm telling you guys, okay? The price action that you guys are waiting for, a lot of people waiting for, thinking like, oh, we're going back down, okay? Like there's a lot of people telling guys out of there in the market, a lot of folks, video YouTubers, they're all saying it. They think that the price is going back down again. I am telling you, the possibility is very, very slim. Very slim. Guys, there is a lot coming in that is pointing in the other way around, that the price is already going to start moving upwards. Now, you can take advantage of this. You can 5x, 10x, or even 20x your money. Okay, use your Bydfi and my Phemex links below. Sign up and start trading. Again, not financial advice. Don't leverage trade if you don't know what you're doing. In that case, just buy your coins and hold them on the spot. Understand? Anyways, now let's go look at my positions right quick on Bydfi for my long term and my or seasonal, and then Phemex, which are based on my Casper trade over there on Phemex, based on resistance and support. But my Jasmine trade over there is long term, because that's the only way I could get Jasmine at 50x or even higher. But anyways, let's go look at it right quick. Now we go here. This is my Bydfi. Okay, see, today my total, it has jumped up. Yesterday we was like what, $8,000 or something like that. My total today is 10,600. It has started to move. So looking at my contracts, as you can see, my quant my quant is up 17%, which is 1,200, almost 1,300. Again, it moves fast because I trade at 50x. I'm a very aggressive trader. Okay, look at my Casper. I am still down 37%, but this will not last long, guys, because with the smart contracts coming on, this thing is about to jump. As you can see right now, I'm still at minus 37%, which is pretty good, guys. The money is coming. Okay, so look at my short-term trades on the Phemex. Let me sign in. My overall, again, is also going up again, 10,900. Yesterday we was, I think, 10,002 or 10,005 thereabout. But yeah, we are going up. Looking at my contracts, again, see, my Jasmine is beginning to move up slowly. Okay, because yesterday it was negative 40. Today I'm down negative 34 or $34. Excuse me, 34%, which is around $4,000. My Casper is also moving. I'm down today negative 28, which is 1,300. Again, guys, I'm not worried because these things, they're about to take off, and the money making is about to start. Okay, excuse me. Now, that being said, again, guys, it's time for you to get your stuff ready, because the amount of money in the next 2 months, I told you 3, but we already spent 1. The next 2 months is going to be monumental. You don't want to be left on the side waiting for price confirmation like I do. I open my positions and I scale them up to make sure my liquidation goes all the way down. So anyways, that being said, guys, thank you for watching on my videos. Please subscribe. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Share this video so that other people like you and I with the millionaire mentality can see this and the family can even grow. Please comment. I like to read your opinion. I like to read your opinions, and I will try to respond to as many of you as I can as possible. Okay. Also, please like, because when you like the videos, it pushes the YouTube algorithm pushes it to other people. Okay, they push it for other people to be able to see this video. Now, as you can see, I'm struggling to speak because I'm a little bit under the weather. Again, thank you very much for watching my videos, and until I see you in my next one, take care of yourselves, and bye bye.